Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. Again, hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to choose who can see your story on Facebook. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Now to change who can see your story on Facebook, let's open up our Facebook app first, and let's create a story first. And let's add something over here. Let's add a picture of this one, and after that you can see the privacy option available over here on the bottom left corner of your screen. Tap on privacy, and currently you can see friends option available over here or selected. If you want the public to be able to see your story, tap on public and change it on change, and the public will be able to view your story on Facebook. And if you want just a custom people or number of people you want to show the story to, you can search for them and add here like this. And if you want everybody on your Facebook account, which is your friends, to see your story, tap on friends like this, and you can see you can hide the story from, you can choose from whom you want to hide the story. And there guys, this is how you choose who can see your story on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.